It's Friday, the 20th of September 2019. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News in a minute. Let's get cracking. And the timer starts. Now, Universal have announced details on the two on-site hotels coming to Universal Studios Beijing Resort. They'll be called the Universal Studios Grand Hotel and the NUO Resort Hotel. Tokyo Disneyland have announced that their latest expansion will open April 15th of next year. This will include 4 new attractions, including the new Fantasyland dark ride, the Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast. A new entry sign has opened at Magic Kingdom's Tomorrowland this week. SeaWorld have announced that their CEO in the US is stepping down after just over 6 months in the role. Disneyland opened their new pedestrian bridge over Magic Way this week. A California State University Fullerton study has shown that Disneyland is worth more than $8 billion to the Southern Californian economy. Walt Disney World has revealed the new ride vehicles for their upcoming Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind roller coaster coming to Epcot. Not Scary Farm opened for its 47th... That is it for this week's Theme Park News in a minute. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the section down below. We'll be back on Sunday with a video about a local BrizBricks Lego event, which is really cool. So tune in for that. In the meantime, you can check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut Insta, or our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, cheers.